Good morning, Tigers. It is reading day, Friday morning. My name is Bria Hewley. Let me start you off with your Friday morning campus weather forecast. Those temperatures here across the Columbia area, we are sitting in those lower 30s right now. It's 32 degrees there in Jefferson City and in Tuscumbia, 30 there in Versailles. We're looking at 31 degrees there in Boonville. And once we get that wider view, we see that same story across Missouri and its surrounding states. We are in those upper 20s and lower 30s. 30 here currently in Columbia, 27 there in Kansas City. Won't necessarily say it's warmer there in Springfield, but they are looking at a temperature of 32 degrees. This satellite radar shows that the clouds will stick around today. They are coming in from the northwest, and you might see a blip of blue there. No precipitation is anticipated for today, but that moisture is in the area because that dew point is close to the actual air temperature. But we're not looking at any flurries. It might not be out of the question, but nothing that will accumulate, but those clouds will be here in the area. And while those clouds are here, that cold, it won't necessarily leave. That jet stream shows that we are necessarily in a trough right now. And that trough shows its full extent. Once we get to around Saturday evening, you see this U shape that is up to our north at the moment. And with that U shape, that is colder air from Canada that will make its way into the continental US. And it is really prominent as we head off into Sunday, more so around the northeastern part of the country. But that cold air will make its way here into the Midwest. And while it's here, you do see that we have more of a ridge, or what I would say, an arch, more to our west. And with that arch, that will bring some warmer temps into our area as we enter into beginning and middle of next week. We'll see temperatures start to get above average, but we have to get through this cold air before those warmer temperatures get into the area. We're talking about single digit lows there for Saturday morning, and we're in the teens for Sunday morning. Temperatures way below average, more so near our average low. But towards the beginning of next week, those temperatures start to rise. We'll even see temperatures getting close to 60. Haven't seen those temperatures since November. And we will stay above average. That's what that outlook is showing us. That colder air, or necessarily temperatures that will be below average, will stay to our north. But here in Missouri, those temperatures be well above average as we enter in the next week or so. So currently here in Columbia, once again, those clouds are in the area, just dropped to 29 degrees. That wind is, I'll say, relatively calm, but it's a slight breeze out there from the north at 10 miles per hour. So it feels like 20 degrees, but that humidity in the area up to 96%. Some frost isn't out of the question. Some places will be foggy here this morning in Columbia. For the next few hours, those clouds will linger. You might get a peak of sun. We're looking at a high of around 36 degrees today. That wind will continue out of the north, bringing in those colder temperatures. As we enter in tonight, maybe one of our last warmer nights, temperatures will be at 22 degrees there. Those winds are still coming out of the north. So, for our finals week, what will we expect here in Columbia? Colder temperatures this weekend for the finals week. Those temperatures will be well above average, reaching 10 degrees above average on Wednesday of next week. But once everyone will probably be gone from Columbia, unless you choose to spend your winter break here, those temperatures will stay near average with around 47 degrees there for next Friday.